All right, I'm going to talk about the water rain diverter, why I need it, what I'm kind of up to here. So when we bought this house, we weren't aware of it, but that spout only goes down to the next rail there, and then all that water has to come down here. Now on the other side of the house, the spout goes all the way down. So that puts a lot of water coming through this spout, a lot. And over the years, what's happened is they dug this guy in, and he is just full of leaves and all kinds of stuff. And the water doesn't flow, it just stacks up and starts gushing out right here. As you can see, this spot, and the water goes down that way and washes out into there and into the backyard. So I need to do something about that. Plus I want to garden, and I want to be able to capture water to use for gardening. So I've set up this water barrel, and I'll put the link below on where I got these. But I also got this off of Amazon. This is the Odie water diverter. So it's taking water that would come through here, not all of it, it still flows and still gets clogged when it's real heavy rain. But it'll fill that barrel, and I can take that hose runs around the corner there, just got to make sure it's not kinked, and run it into that barrel. So right now it's just sitting up into the top, but I'm probably just going to cut a filler hose, like a fixture into it at some point, and I'll run the water from this one somewhere else, maybe a agricultural water bin back behind the shed or something like that, something big. But yeah, we're capturing from up here, down there, moving to here, and then I'm using this for gardening, cleaning, and just general around the house use. And I keep it out of the walkway where I don't want it to be. So that's been one of the projects that I've been working on during this whole, we'll just say, first quarter 2020 madness. So thanks for checking out the video. If you guys got any questions about this water system, let me know, and I will put a video together when I build more. So thanks for checking it out. Y'all take care.